fix it with nails and let it dry for 24 hours. Once the glue is dry, the nails, they have to take it out. Then they prepare a wooden paste to seal all the small holes. Let it dry for some more hours, then they proceed for the polishing. Once the hull has been polished, you can see this is the final result. It looks like this. They're very soft and seems to be one piece also. So the ladies, they specialize to do the rigging work here. For the sails, they use like white cotton cloth. They put it in black tea to get the old color. For the thread, they use nylon and cotton, but they wax it with beeswax to protect it from humidity. Like this, have them also to put all the small beads that you can see on the thread. But the work requires a lot of patience, concentration, and you can say good eyesight as well. To complete a model like this one here, it takes 10 days of work, but we prefer to work in series of that take 1 month of work. Like this is reduce the cost of production and the time also. But in this slide you will see which transport spices from Pondicherry to Mauritius. So it's called a Saint-Germain, and we have a famous hotel also in Mauritius. It's called one and only Saint-Germain. It's related from this one, but the wood that we use for the models, they are teak. From the specialized shop, then they have to trace the samples for the hull for this small decoration. So the same model we can work it in different sizes, and we have more than 50 different ones. And then like the Titanic.